Alright, what is up everybody? Welcome. I am back with another video in the inventory component tutorial series. In the last video we set up the weapon slots. We're gonna keep working on them. So right now we have, that's not a good looking item like that. We have the sword and we have the shield that we can have in our offhand. So it's looking pretty good, looking like a proper inventory. We can now equip some items that actually appears in our character. We have the quick slots, so they appear and we can use the quick slots. So yeah, it's coming along. Minor quick fix. This needs to be fixed, so the slots actually update on this point as well when we press the other buttons, and we will add a option for, because this is like main hand, offhand, we will add a option for like two hand as well, two-handed I guess, so that we can have, because I guess it's pretty popular with two-handed weapons as well. And if we have a two-handed weapon, like if we equip a two-handed weapon, it should unequip both the main hand and the offhand. So let's see if we can get that to work. Lots of errors. Yeah, it's because I pressed the buttons. So from start, go into your WB inventory, the widget component, or the widget blueprint. We have this function update when category button is pressed. So it's called when we press these category buttons. We need to go in there, and this, so on the button press we update the different buttons, and we have the different types. So yeah, we need to update all of these slots and not the equipped weapon and equipped armor. So it's gonna be main hand, yeah, the usual suspects. We can just go in here. Yeah, okay, yeah, I'll just get them. You know what, should I just do a helper function for this, so we can just plug them in every time. Anyway, get equip off hand, helm, head, chest, legs, consumable. We already have the 1, 2, 3, 4. Before I forget, go into the inventory components. Probably not an issue at your place, in your one, but I named these pretty stupidly, so there we go. I also need to check so that the volume is working. It is, so that's very good. And that's it. So now we just plug everything in. Head, to the corresponding ones. Chest, legs, 1, 2, 3, 4, and plug them in. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. And I think that should work. Let's see. Yeah. Still works. And it still works. might have an issue with this actually when we do more, because armor is the main type, but we do like different. Because I guess this one, yeah, exactly. Because the shield isn't appearing in weapons, which it should. Or if it should go to armor, but like for the weapon, yeah. So we need to fix that as well. Let's do that later. Or should I fix that now and do the slots, the two-handed in another video? Yeah, let's fix that now before I forget. So how do we fix that? So this current item sorting, yeah, exactly, yeah. Yeah, okay, we need to change some variables here. So the current item sorting is like from the type, so it only shows the exact same type, but the main hand and offhand, for instance, are both weapons, usually. So we need to change this check to be switch. Now switch here. So we need to switch on the current sorting. And we need to decide if this item is okay, I should probably remake this function. So we need to remake this check item type function. So basically what we did is we checked this, right? So yeah, so if the, okay, so let's change this function. So we need to return true if it's available. So we want to get this, and we already have that one in here, so that's good. So we can remove this. So if the item type of this one, yeah. So if the current item sorting I'm just gonna change this name here. So if item sorting is a weapon, if the item sort, and if this is equal to enum, so if this is equal to weapon main, or weapon off. So if the item sorting, the item sorting will always be weapon main, I guess. So I probably actually should make another item sorting enum that sorts by armor. So this should probably, item type should probably be named item slot. And then we should have item type as well, which is like the general types. But I'm just gonna do this for now. I guess this works. So if it's none, we're always gonna create the slot, so that's just gonna pass through. If the item sorting is weapon main or weapon off, and the item slot is weapon main or weapon off, then we're also gonna pass through. I just need to see if this works. Yeah, it does. But since it's a pure function, it always goes through. So we need to go into this one, and from the false node, we need to connect a none. And I'm just gonna, for now, just so we have outputs from everything. Ah, yeah, because that is a weapon. I'm stupid. So weapons, there we go. Yeah. So now we have a bunch of items. If I go to weapons, we only get the weapons. So yeah, that seems to work. Pretty decent. Nice. Now we just need to do it with everything. So it's more an issue with this one. Pin. So we can add pins, and here we have 3 nodes, and this is gonna be head, chest, legs. And this is obviously like you just add whatever slots that you have for the armors. And we're gonna do, so this is gonna be checked from head, chest, legs. And from the false, we're gonna return nothing. And from the true, we're gonna return true. And I might as well do this now, so that maybe it works smoother when we get to that part. So on the MISC, we're also gonna get consumable. So from MISC, if it's MISC, and from consumable, if it's consumable. So true, true, false, false, true, true, false, false. That's a nice function. All right, let's see. Let's pick up a bunch of stuff. So if we go to weapons, we have all the weapons. If we go to armor, we have all the armor. If we go to MISC, we have nothing. Usable is consumable, so we have the consumables. and we can equip consume. Okay, yeah. The slots aren't going to the same, so yeah, I need to figure that one out. Wait, 1, 2. Okay, this is 4, this is 2, this is 3. So there we go. So they need to be in order. 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. Superb. Okay, 15 minutes. That's gonna be it for this one. We're gonna do the 200 things in the next video instead. Got some cleanup to do, which was good that we did. And that's gonna be it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Also, please like and subscribe if you're new. We have a bunch of cool Patreons joining us. I will do some when a couple of more joins, I will do the screen thingy again. But please consider becoming a patron. I will upload the inventory component finished when it's done. And yeah, that's pretty much it. See you in the next one. Peace.